Hey, REIN community, Patrick Francey here. Hey, listen, just a shout out and a bit of a nudge and a reminder that we have got a live meeting happening tonight in Langley, 6:30 p.m. kickoff. We're going to be at the Sandman Signature on 200th Street. So make sure you get registered to attend that meeting. Just click on the link. It is free. And it's also, of course, bring a guest night. So this is the last meeting before the end of the year. And live meetings, we decided to go forward based on your interest, I guess. But ultimately, we got a meeting tonight. Now, we're going to cover a few things. I'm going to be joined by Randy Dyck, trusted partner, Eximus Real Estate, EXP Realty. And Randy is going to be talking about right now, should we buy, should we sell, or should we hold? What's going on in the market? Of course, Randy has been in this Fraser Valley, Vancouver, Lower Mainland for 30 years. He's in the trenches every day looking at what's going on in the market. Randy's going to be there so you can get questions asked and answered. And then, of course, he's going to do a little bit of an update presentation on whether we should buy, sell, or hold. I'm going to be talking about raising capital. Is now the time to raise capital, deploy capital? Both. What's the advantages? You know something, there's a lot of changes going on in the real estate market. I know it's I just had live with JG Francoeur. We were talking about just how uncertain the market seems, and given the opportunities that are starting to present themselves, this is a time to at least pay attention to the possibilities. We're going to be hosting a live event this coming Saturday, by the way, on raising capital. I'll tell you about that tonight if you want to attend that. So the question is now the time to raise or deploy capital? And then I'm going to be talking about what else is going on in the market, giving you an economic update about what's going on. We just did a great live event, a live in-person meeting in Calgary, amazing energy. And I want to give BC a perspective of what's going on in BC versus what's happening in Alberta. I think it can be quite eye-opening for you as a real estate investor. And of course, there's going to be some amazing opportunities to do networking, get your questions asked and answered. That's Randy and I are committing to doing that. So 6:30 p.m., the Sandman Signature on 200th Street. We're kicking off. We're going to have a great networking. Show up a little bit early, do some networking, hang out a little bit longer, do some more networking. I mean, the best time and the best thing to do right now is surround yourself with like-minded people. And especially as we go through these kind of uncertain economic times, both Randy and I have been on this earth long enough and in business long enough to have been through several economic cycles. This is another one. I get it. It's a little bit kind of haywire, but for those who are focused, who stay educated, who stay in the environment that they need to get the support, get those questions answered, there's some huge opportunities that are starting to present themselves. BC has made some big changes in terms of zoning. We'll be talking about that tonight. Lots of conversations, lots of things to talk about, think about. Hopefully see you there tonight. Make sure you come. And make sure you come with your questions so that we can get them answered for you. Look forward to it.